if you are trying to live a healthier lifestyle, you can still eat pizza. Veggies add excellent flavor and nutrition, but they're not the only strategy for a healthier pie. Amy Roskelley joins me to share her recipe for easy garden pizza. We are doing a quick summer catch-up. Your summer's going good.
My summer's good, and not just any veggies, but whatever you have in the garden is gonna work on this pizza, because you just can take out what's new, what's fresh, what's harvesting. I saw peas at the farmer's market this week.
Hey.
And peppers and cucumbers.
This is where I
red
get
onions too.
Jealous of my neighbors and probably you. So this is the garden I wish that I had. But you're packing it all on this pizza. I want to start with the dough though. Did I read this correctly? 2 ingredients?
Yeah, this is my favorite way to do it, because you never have to have any pizza crust in the freezer or in the fridge. All it is, and I always have this on hand, is self-rising flour and Greek yogurt. It actually makes a really tender crust, and you'd be shocked at how easy it is. I always do, well, not always, this is actually really forgivable, but I give 1 cup of flour to 3/4 cup of yogurt. And it makes the perfect dough that you can roll out. If you have a little more yogurt, like equal parts, it still works, but you might need a little flour to roll it out.
Can you taste the Greek yogurt?
It's a little tangy.
Can I taste it? Do you care if I take off a little edge? I'm being rude and inviting myself in, but I'm intrigued by this.
Yeah, I mean, it just tastes like a crust.
Yeah.
Yeah, easy, right?
That's Greek yogurt and flour.
Well, it's self-rising flour, because this has the baking powder and salt.
Oh, okay.
That's why you can say 2 ingredient. Otherwise, I'd say 4.
That's really good, Amy.
Okay, good.
I'm sorry I ruined your perfect square.
No, I'm happy to let you try it.
What are we topping it with?
Okay, so because we're gonna eat this cold, we are gonna put some cream cheese, and you can do this a few ways. You can thin that out with a little milk or a little mayonnaise or sour cream. I like it thick, so I don't, but then I'm gonna do some ranch seasoning.
Did anyone notice how Amy didn't even give me a second to get in there when she said, we're gonna eat it cold? We're eating our pizza cold?
Yeah, well, we are cooking the crust. So we forgot to talk about that.
Okay.
So I rolled it out 350 for 20 minutes.
All right.
350 degrees for 20 minutes.
There's a pretty finishing salt on it.
And then I just like this, I like the flavor of a little butter spray on top and coarse salt. I just love butter and salt. Yeah. so it makes it taste really good.
I mean, I'm not the pizza police here, but technically that's 4 ingredients. It's fine. It's fine. We'll let it slide.
You can leave that off.
You need,
it's optional.
Could, but I think you need the butter and the salt. That was delicious.
You're right. You're right.
I'm sorry. Back to the spread.
Yeah, so it could be thinner, it could be thicker, but it's just cream cheese, which is delicious, with some ranch seasoning. And then we are gonna get whatever we harvested from our garden, or let your kids pick some things and put it on. But like I said, at the farmer's market this week, they had onions and peas. But also cucumbers are starting to come up. Actually, I had cherry tomatoes in my own garden, so I would cut these in half and make them, you know, easier to eat. You can also roast some veggies if you want, but that'll just take more time. Kids love to shuck the peas. At least I think they do. Yeah.
My kids would if I gave them peas to shuck, but maybe that should be the summer job coming their way.
That's right. And peppers, mini bell peppers, regular peppers, carrots are always, you always have these on hand, even if you don't have them in your garden, you always have carrots on hand. So I like those too. Broccoli. You could even add, I put a little bit of cheese, just some sprinkled cheddar cheese on that one. So it's really forgivable, and you can do a lot of different ways.
You've sort of just made the veggie tray edible.
Oh, that's true.
The crust is the tray, you've got the dip, you've got the veggies, we're eating it cold. That's kind of just a new way to think of the veggie tray.
It's true. You can cut them into little, like, squares, or you can make your dough into a circle like a pizza if your kids like it that way.
All right.
And you can double, triple, you can do a whole pizza with several cups of yogurt and flour. And
I like this mini guy. Serves 2 to 4.
Yeah, or 1.
Or personal. Let's go personal and just consider this lunch.
I could eat all of that.
Amy, thank you so much. Where can we get more healthy inspired recipes from you?
I'm at healthbeat.org, and HealthBeat everywhere on the social media.
All right, we'll meet you there. Thank you.
Brooke.
Happy summer.